So to determine the time of supply, time of supply in the following cases, assuming a GST is payable under the reverse charge mechanism. So what is the time of supply we want to find? And the date of payment of receipt of date of payment is given, and date of issue of invoice is given. These all under the reverse charge mechanism entity. So what is the rule? It's a payment received or invoice received. Invoice na within from that 30 days. Payment received, invoice within 30 days, whichever is earlier. So this is the provision. So in this case, August, June 29, August 10, June 1, payment made June 30, balance amount in September 1, June 29. Payment entered into book June 28 and debit in the receipt bank account June 30. June 20, payment entered in the books of account June 30 and debit in the recipient bank June 26. And here payment June 29. We'll see. So I have received payment on August 10. Date of invoice is 29. From that 30 days, June, July, August. 60 days, huh? Okay, in this case, it's actually 30 days. June 29. So whichever is earlier, August. In the case of such mechanism. In the case of June 10, June from 60 days, August 1. So August 1 or August 10, August 1. This is the date of time of supply of goods. Payment made in June 30, part payment, and balance in September 1. June 29 plus 60 days, August 29. Plus June 30, part payment, and August 29 remaining. Payment is entered into the books of account June 28 and debit in the recipient bank account in June 30. So from this, the 60 days, August. So the part payment entered, so what about the amount entered is June 28. So the whole amount is entered in June 28, the date of payment, date of time of supply will be June 28, and the payment is entered into the books of accounts of the recipient. Here, the payment is entered into the books of account June 30, but debited in the recipient bank account June 26. So June 26, you receive the payment and June 29 plus 60 days. Here, August 29. So whichever is early, August, June 29 or August 29, June 29, 26. So June 29 is the payment of debited in the recipient of bank account. So here, what is the conclusion? What we receive is payment received or entered into book of account or invoice 60 days, whichever is earlier. So this is the rules book for this. Understand? So thank you.